Hi there, my name's Adam Stead. I work for StoreKit. We sell point-of-sale systems to small, medium and large merchants throughout the world, but mainly in the UK. If that describes you, if you are a retailer, a pub, a bar, a restaurant, a cafe, a taxi driver, you own a cruise ship, then we can sell you a point-of-sale system. So what I thought I would do in order to explain what the cloud actually is I would enlist the help of a famous technologist, Elon Musk. That must be him calling now.
What a cloud system is, Adam, right, is a system where all the data is stored overseas in a huge computer owned right by a giant web company. This change happened right in 2009. It's a decade old. Literally, it happened over 12 years back in time. It means you can access your account from any device.
Number two, you're not responsible for maintaining a server. Older systems, you have to go back to the server where all of the data is stored at the end of the day, and you have to update it, usually from every till. Three, everything is updated all the time across all of your different terminals. Regardless of what your inventory is made out of, whether you are trying to simultaneously sell items via your e-commerce site and in your shop, or whether you have two different terminals and you have two customers simultaneously trying to order the salmon, but it's the last salmon in the fridge, you need to make sure that all of the different ways you can sell something are talking to each other so that you know when you've sold the last one. Number four, you pay monthly. Think like Spotify and Netflix rather than Microsoft Office 2004. We would associate it with more competitive software where they're consistently fighting for your custom and your business. Because if you're only paying monthly and you've got a monthly bill, it's much easier to leave. The final thing is along the same lines. 5, there is no sunk hardware cost. You might have to buy an iPad, a printer, a cash drawer, and a card machine in order to use your point of sale as a point of sale. But if you then decide you don't like the software, having bought all those things, you can just change software and you can keep the same hardware going. You can just change software and you can keep the same hardware going. If you have one of the older systems like Tissel or Micros or one of those, you'll find that you have to buy an entire new till, which is exhausting, and that sunk cost means that you're likely to stick with that till no matter what, even if it's terrible, 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 which in turn means that they don't invest in the product very much. We're StoreKit and we're a market, not a shop. So if you use one of our digital tools or speak to one of our advisors, we can talk you through all of the different software that is out there on the market and make a personal recommendation to you for free.